Holden LJ Torana. In 2025, this beast is reborn in stunning cyan blue, blending that old-school raw character with modern upgrades that make it one of the most exciting cars you'll ever lay your eyes on. The Torana has always been a car that demanded attention, from its racing roots to its street presence, and now it's back to shake the automotive world once again. The moment you see the cyan blue paint glistening under the lights, you realize this isn't just another retro throwback, it's a statement that Holden's spirit is alive and ready to roar in a new era. The 1972 LJ Torana was iconic, and this 2025 edition keeps that soul alive but amplifies it with 21st century performance and design. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. Instead of simply staying stuck in the past, this Torana gets a modernized V8 powerhouse tuned for high torque and explosive acceleration, giving you the kind of throttle response that snaps your head back instantly. The upgraded intake system and performance exhaust deliver a soundtrack that's both nostalgic and futuristic, a blend of the classic Torana rumble mixed with a sharper, more refined tone. In terms of numbers, it pushes impressive horsepower while staying surprisingly efficient thanks to modern engineering. Whether you're cruising the streets or taking it to the track, this machine makes you feel like you own the road. The exterior design is a perfect balance between retro and futuristic. You still get that unmistakable LJ silhouette with its sharp lines and compact muscle stance, but the details have been reimagined. The cyan blue finish pops with a mirror-like shine, enhanced by deep metallic flakes that shift in natural light, making it look almost liquid. The front grille is wider and more aggressive, with LED headlights tucked neatly into the classic design, giving it a menacing glare at night. Chrome accents on the bumper and window trims stay true to the heritage, while the larger lightweight alloy wheels bring in modern flair. Every angle of this car tells you it's both a tribute and an evolution. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that mixes comfort, technology, and nostalgia. The interior uses premium leather seats with retro stitching patterns, but the driving position feels modern and sporty. The digital display cluster gives you all the real-time performance data you need, yet it's styled to resemble old analog gauges so you still feel that vintage vibe. Infotainment comes with a large touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it's tastefully tucked into the dash to avoid spoiling the old-school look. Ambient lighting in cyan matches the exterior, glowing subtly at night to set the mood. The driving ergonomics are spot on, with a steering wheel that feels both classic in shape yet futuristic in function with multifunction controls hidden in the design. On the road, the 2025 Holden LJ Torana delivers an experience that's hard to describe unless you're behind the wheel. The suspension has been reworked for stability and agility, letting you throw it into corners with confidence while still keeping that muscle car rawness alive. It doesn't feel overly tamed like some modern performance cars, it still gives you feedback, it still makes you work, and that's exactly what makes it fun. The brakes are upgraded with high-performance calipers and ventilated rotors, giving you strong stopping power without fade, making it as track-ready as it is street-ready. Every drive feels like a special occasion because this car makes you part of the experience, not just a passenger along for the ride. What makes this car stand out even more is its cultural importance. The Holden LJ Torana was a hero of Australian racing history, dominating Bathurst in its prime and cementing Holden's name in motorsport. This 2025 revival pays homage to that legacy while inspiring a new generation of car enthusiasts. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about keeping the story alive, making sure future gearheads know where the passion started. The cyan blue edition especially captures that bold attitude, ensuring that everywhere you go, people stop, stare, and remember the legend of the Torana. Collectors and enthusiasts are already calling this one of the most desirable Holden revivals of the decade, and it's easy to see why. It has the style, the power, the heritage, and the modern touches that make it practical and thrilling at the same time. Whether you're a die-hard Holden fan or someone just getting into the world of muscle cars, this Torana will grab your heart immediately. It's raw, it's refined, and it's a rolling piece of history reimagined for 2025. The 2025 Holden LJ Torana Cyan Blue isn't just a car, it's proof that legends never die, they just evolve into something even more breathtaking. It connects the past and the present in a way that few cars ever manage to do, and that's why it will always stand as one of the ultimate icons of Australian performance.